Just getting ready to head into Bakersfield, coming down from the Kern River Valley. Here on the Woody Granite Road, runs in between the little community of Woody into Oildale. A little bit overcast today, foggy. That's the way Bakersfield is in the winter. It gets a lot of fog. It gets really thick. We call it tule fog. See, this is a nice little community here in Woody. Starting to get green. We had our first rain, a manageable rain in a long time, probably close to a year. And just the little rain we got, it's starting to green up already. This is one hell of a beat up old road. I'm just sort of taking it easy. But I tell you, after 8 months of old brown dry weather, this is nice. This little bit of green we got, it ain't much, but it's sure better than the old brown we're so used to seeing. And this is a really nice little road. Like I said, it's pretty beat up and tore up, but not a lot of traffic. Nice scenery. It's worth the little extra time it takes to get here. A little out of the way. Valley, Bakersfield. Don't have a lot of trees. Like I said, this is most of the year. This is just brown, just sort of like the side of the mountain here. So this little bit of green is nice. This little road here, it's a great road. It's going to add about almost an hour's travel time if you're going to Bakersfield, but I think it's worth it. Road too. Part of the fun is just trying to miss the damn potholes. See, we're getting down lower out of the mountains, and it's starting to get a little more brown the lower we get. Ooh, better slow down there. I sure am getting lazy riding this bike. I love that slipper clutch. Leaving the throttle to downshift. That's fun, but nice to be lazy. Seems like the older I get, the lazier yet. I'm cutting the corner here. I've been called out for that, but I can see about a half a mile down the road, so I think it was safe. Stay right in the center of the lane, and the trail brake all the way until I can see around the corner. Alright, there's someone on the road. Oh, I hit that pothole. Actually, you're going to get them right in the favorite little section of road. Favorite little section here. Sort of neat. You come into this little section of road where you got the rocks nice and tight. Little section if you don't have a car in front of you. He's cool, he pulled over. Thank you, buddy. But then it opens up and then you got some nice flowing corners here. Turns. Now, you gotta tell me, did it look like I was on the left side of that double yellow? Because I promise you I wasn't. I was maybe a foot from it. And personally, I think the camera, when it's mounted on the right side, it makes you look like you're closer to the line than what you are. Right now I'm 3 feet from the line. And when I watch it back, I'm curious to see what it looks like. Says, oh, it's going to make you look like you're farther away from the line. Well, I disagree with that. Alright, now we're getting down in the old dry, no bushes, no trees section of San Joaquin Valley, so I'm going to sign off right here because it's not really that entertaining.